Hiren Jadeja, President of Finance. What is he? Maybe. This is our maybe 8th or 9th present NGMAC. Since the second edition of NGMAC, we have been participating with the state of art technology comments from metal cutting space. This time we have introduced one of our new products that is voice different. It is a CNC checker with lots of benefits to the customer in terms of space, productivity, and technology. Since today is the first day, that's why it's not suitable to comment. But considering the today's crowd, it seems it would be a game changer event. As far as the footfalls have concerned, lots of our old customers as well as the new customers, they are visiting. Yeah. Yes. Right. See, India as a country, we are aspiring to grow to become a 5 trillion economy. And it is anticipated that 25% of the total GDP will come from the manufacturing sector. And we are there well placed since we are into the metal cutting industry. Machine tool and metal cutting industry is the backbone of any manufacturing. That's why, and this such type of exhibition that will act as a catalyst to boost our surely 100%.